Hi guys, welcome to Suffolk Codes Spring 2021. I'm Miss Jasmine and I will be guiding you guys through some coding modules. I'm already signed in to code.org. However, the sign in is just the same way as last time. You'll go to code.org, you'll click on the right hand corner, there will be a sign in button. You'll click on that and you're just going to type in our class section code. And once you get there, it's going to prompt you to click in your name and type in your secret words that I sent you via email. And that way you guys can start our coding modules. Also, we'll always have our live office hours. Our next one will be March 9th at 6:30. And even if you don't want to attend the live office hours, you can always feel welcome to just sign in and start any of the coding modules at any point in time by setting up a free account. So last time I started you guys with the pre-reader express course. This time we're actually going to do the express course to give you guys a little more in-depth and more knowledge about using coding. And we're going to start with lesson 2. Come at you and have you guys do lesson 1 on your own. So we're going to start with lesson 2, which is programming Angry Birds. It's kind of almost a similar setup as our pre-express. And just click. And once again, it's going to always start with videos to get you guys to learn more about how to use your blocks in your play area. Okay, so our instructions are always going to be in the top. For this puzzle, drag all the blocks together and click run to watch it go. Move forward. Run. Got our bird. Awesome. Drag an extra move forward block out of the toolbox to finish your code. Okay, so it's already given us 2, and now we need to drag an extra block from our block area into our workspace, and then we hit run, and that'll take us 3 forward spaces to our pig. Continue. Okay, this pig is ruffling my feathers. There's 1 extra block that is going to cause the bird to crash. Throw it away by unhooking it from blocks and dragging it back to the toolbox. You can always tell if you have an extra spot, because on your workspace it normally tells you how many blocks you should be able to use to do your coding. So we have 6 and we should only be using 5. So we're going to see which one we need to move. And right now it's actually highlighted because it looks like we only need to move forward once instead of twice. Because we hit it twice, we're going to hit a wall. So we're going to drag these down and click on this one and move it back to our block area to delete it. Hook our turned and our other move forwards back and click run. Let's see if we can get to our pig. And it looks like we got them. Guys, it'll always tell you your codes and you can see your code about what you did. Okay. Trace the path, lead me to the silly pig. Avoid the TNT or feathers or fly. Okay, so we can move forward. And we're only going to use 6 blocks, but we don't want to move forward another time if we're going to hit that TNT. So then we're going to turn right. We're going to turn right. And move forward, and then we're going to turn right again and move forward. So that gave us 6 blocks. So now let's hit run. We got the first right correct. Oh, nope, we moved. So we should have moved left. The pigs are laughing at us. Okay, so we're going to drag that back, and then we're going to move left. Reset, and run again. TNT, we're missing the wall. Yay, we missed the wall. We got our pig. So we're gonna go over. Follow this path to get me to the pig. Avoid the TNT. Okay. So our TNT is over here. We're gonna try to move the walls again. So we're gonna move forward. And it looks like we can go 2 times. 1, 2, before we hit anything. And then move to the left. And then go another 1, 2 to get to our pig. So let's see if this is correct. We missed the TNT, we missed the walls. Woo! Got our pig. Okay, keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Otherwise, I might get angry. Get the bird to the pig and avoid the TNT. Okay? So we can go different ways here. We have a lot of lines to go. And we have a loop button or a repeat block. So actually, before we attach the repeat block, I got carried away. We're going to turn left so we can go up a little bit. Otherwise, we hit straight forward. We're going to run into a wall. Now we can move our repeat block over. And we're going to move 1, 2, 3 times forward. And then turn right and move forward once to get to our pig. Hopefully we won't hit another wall, but let's see. Up. We hit another wall. Okay. So we're gonna, after we turn, we're gonna move forward first. Then turn again. Then repeat and move forward as well. This is all about trial and error. Even if you don't get it the first time, it's okay. Now we move, no wall hits. Moving forward, no wall hit again. We got our pig. Continue. And we actually use only 8 out of 9 blocks, so we could use one more. But we got it. Okay, it's time to get angry. Challenge, this code has a lot of bugs. You need to remove some of the blocks and add others. Oh, okay. So we already have 13 blocks. But some of them are not correct. So we're going to move forward. 1, 2. That's correct. And then we're going to turn right, which is correct, because that's going to lead us down. And then we're going to move forward once. So we move forward another time, we're going to go to the TNT, so we're going to unblock that. So let's take this over here. So now we move forward, then we're going to turn right. Move forward, turn right, move forward, forward. So we should only move forward 1, 2, 3, 3 times. And we have 4. So let's move them back over. And then we're going to turn left and move forward. I might have gotten mixed up there, so let's see. We're moving forward, we turn right, we move forward. Oh, nope. I should have left it as left, because we hit the wall. It was a little easier when it just gave us up and down, didn't it? So now we got to be careful, and we're turning left. And then we're turning right, and we're moving forward, moving forward. Always these turns that get me, guys. So reset again, because I hit that wall. So I've hit a box of TNT, and I hit the wall. So now we move forward, turn, move forward, turn left, move forward, 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 turn right, and then get our piggy. It took us a couple times, but we did get it. Even when you mess up your codes too, sometimes remember your hints are at the light bulbs. And you can say yes or no if you want a hint if you click on it. So keep calm and help me find the bad pig. So our pig is at the top, and we can't go straight up because of all the blocks, walls, and TNT. So we need to move forward to get us to open space. And then we'll move. We're going to turn, I believe, right. And then we can go up several times. So let's go up. And once we're over here, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. By moving forward. And then we are going to turn right and move forward. Okay, run. Turn right. Move up 4 times. Turn right and move forward. Got our pig. Okay, read through the code below very carefully. What will happen when you click run? Okay. So A, the bird will end up 1 step short of the pig. B, the bird will make it to the pig. The bird will run into TT. D, I don't know. Okay. So I'm actually going to stop here and let you guys try out the last 2 of the modules in this lesson and the lesson extras. And we're going to show me how you guys do or how you felt about it in our office hours. Besides finishing up the last 2 of that lesson, go back and do lesson 1 and do the dance party so you can create your own little dances, and that way you can also share that at our office hours too. And try lesson 3. Let's share if we had any difficulties. As you guys see, I had some trouble with my turns in the Angry Birds one, and can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!